Today, we're tackling a topic that every salon owner faces at some point: handling client complaints. Hello, all my salon and spa owners. It's Amy Carter from Empowering You Consulting here. While nobody likes to hear negative feedback, it's important to remember that complaints are actually opportunities in disguise. When handling correctly, they can not only help you improve your services, but also build a stronger client relationship and loyalty. So let's dive into some strategies for turning those tough conversations into positive outcomes for your business. First and foremost, when a client brings a complaint to your attention, it's critical to listen actively and show empathy. Make sure you're giving them your full attention, put down whatever you're doing, make eye contact, and really hear them out. Often clients just want to feel understood and acknowledged. By showing genuine concern and empathy, you're taking the first step towards diffusing the situation and making the client feel valued. Next, if the complaint is valid, take responsibility for the issue and apologize sincerely. There is no need to be defensive or make excuses. A simple, heartfelt apology can go a long way in repairing trust. For example, you might say, "I'm so sorry you had that experience. It's not the standard of service we aim to provide, and I appreciate you bringing this to my attention." This shows the client that you're taking their feedback seriously and you're committed to making things right. Next up, always acknowledge the problem, and the next steps is to offer a solution or some sort of compensation. Whether it's a complimentary service, a discount on the next visit, or simply redoing the service they were unhappy with, showing that you're willing to do the extra mile can turn a negative experience into a positive one. The key here is to make sure the client feels valued and appreciated for their business. So let's talk about how to handle those negative reviews on platforms like Google or Yelp. We all know the influential online reviews can be so important, and how we have to address them professionally and promptly is going to be key. When you see a negative review, don't ignore it. Instead, respond to it in a calm and constructive manner. Start by thanking the reviewer for their feedback, apologize for the experience, and offer to discuss the issue further offline, maybe by providing your contact information. This is going to show both reviewer and potential clients that you care about the customer satisfaction and are proactive about resolving these issues. A well-handled response can even encourage the reviewer to update their rating or review. Here's an example. "Hi, thank you for taking the time to share your feedback. I'm so sorry to hear about your recent experience at our salon and spa. We strive to provide the best service possible, and it's clear we fell short of this instance. I'd love the opportunity to make things right. Please feel free to reach out to me directly," and then you give them your contact information so we can really discuss how we can address your concerns and encourage you for a better experience moving forward. We value your business and appreciate your candid feedback. It helps us continuously improve our services. I hope we can earn back your trust and welcome you back to our business in the near future. Best. And then you do a signature for it. All right, finally, use complaints as learning opportunities. Every piece of feedback, whether it's a direct complaint or an online review, can provide valuable insights into areas where your salon and spa might need improvement. Take the time to analyze what went wrong and how you can prevent them in moving forward in the future. Implement changes where it's necessary and let your team know about these new procedures or standards. Not only does this improve your salon and spa's overall service, but it also shows your clients you're committed to continuous improving of your business. Handling client complaints effectively is a critical skill for any salon and spa owner. Remember, every complaint is an opportunity to learn, grow, and strengthen your relationship with your clients. By listening actively, taking responsibility, offering solutions, and addressing online reviews with care, you can turn your negative experiences into opportunities for lasting client loyalty. If you want more tips on how to improve your salon's operations and client satisfaction, head over to empoweryouconsulting.com and book your free strategy session. Together, we can take your salon and spa to its next level. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show some love below, and I will see you on the next one.